Get back, guys, get back!
Get back!
Nos!
Don't play with that. Don't play with fire.
Oh, you don't catch that shit.
Who gives children a car to blow up and expect it to go well? Well, you know what? The engine didn't go.
I was going to buy a Sunfire till it burst into flames.
Last year they had a...
The fire department wasn't here for this whole thing.
Well, why would they? It's private property. Who cares?
No.
No, but every other year it's just been an engine on its own.
Yeah, last year was a Beetle motor. It was
Yeah,
like, done.
17
Because
seconds.
what's the potential there is the cat will just cook the car, right?
Yeah.
Like this is happening. And then what about the fuel tank? You're not putting it out with that, buddy.
Isn't that like a... I wouldn't get close to the burning car with a fuel tank in it. That'd be dumb. Like, you might as well just vacuum the air and let it do its own thing. Technically it didn't blow up yet, so the camera's still going. Push it into the, ATV.
Fresh fuel.
I like how this is top-notch service, right? Just
Not even close to
Start it back up.